Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can tell by the thumbnail, like, we are making over my room today. I feel like there's a lot of thoughts on this. First of it being, like, basically we're just gonna paint the whole room and it's gonna be super epic because we have this, like, really ugly, like, brown color on the wall right now and I just hate it, as you can tell. But yeah, like, it's just ugly. But I am going for, like, a full-on white. But yeah, that white room is gonna be, like, a whole different, like, dynamic for me. I feel like every video that I've ever filmed, I always have one problem with one word. It's so annoying. I'm so excited because I already picked out the paint. I did like a little swatch, if you can see it right there. I did that 2 days ago because I wanted to see like how long it takes to dry, how many coats I'll need. I'm thinking I only need one coat on this brown, and it dried like so quickly, like literally like an hour, and it was dried. So like if I do need 2 coats, like who really cares? Yeah, I'm wearing my painting clothes. I have this really ugly yellow shirt thingy-majingy that I do not like anymore. I used to like be so obsessed with it. And then I have the leggings that I wore when I painted my last bedroom in my old house, and they're already covered in paint, so I figured like might as well get them more covered in paint, but hopefully not. But like also who cares? The color that I went with for my room is called Ultra Pure White. It's literally like their whitest color. Like I asked the guy, I was like, is this the whitest color you have? And you know, I was feeling about it, you know, like I was like, is that like too much white, or is like it okay? But like honestly, I was just thinking, because like I wanted to do on this back wall behind me that you see, I wanted to do a very like different color. I wanted to do like, I'll put an example here, I wanted to do this green color up here, but then I was like, I don't actually know if I would like that or if I'm just liking green because of my wedding. So I decided to just do white, and then I'm gonna try to build a shelf here. I don't know if that's gonna be in this video or the next or whatever, but I'm gonna try to build a shelf up here. More like I'm gonna make my husband do it because like I'm lazy. And then I'm gonna try to fill it with a lot of green plants like hanging down. Hopefully that will be good enough because I kind of just want to do white. But also like I decided if it was too much white, I could just go to the store and try to pick out like an accent wall color. Because in my old house, if you guys remembered, I had like a pinky peach accent wall. I really liked it, but now that I'm like living with the guy, I'm trying to be like more like less girly. Even though my room is like all girly and stuff, like it's not really girly. It just has like pinks and stuff, and like, you know, I feel like things guys want to have in their room, so I'm trying to keep it like semi gender neutral, you know what I mean? I don't know why we shouldn't just start painting, because I'm really excited. I've been waiting like 2 days till today. It's Sunday, January 30th, I believe, and I just really want to get into painting. I think I'm gonna start with this wall where I started with the swatch, but it's a lot of work because like I have to move everything. I'm also having a breakout. Let's paint this room. So I basically have 4 hours because it's like 12:30. I basically have 4 hours to do this entire room. I'm like, When I painted my last room, it took me like 5 days. So we'll see. Comment down below if you think I do it. I don't know. Let's see. I'm nervous, and that being said, let's just get to freaking painting because a girl is excited. Let's go. A somewhat clean canvas. To do these 2 walls is what I want to do first. Okay guys, first things first, we gotta tape everything down. Let's tape. Like it's just like the tiniest amount, but it looks so freaking good. Let's get some more. I want want you all to know it's really hard to paint and vlog because I'm scared to get like, you know, paint all over my brand new $800, $900 setup. So how about we don't do that? Going in with round 2. My like wrist is already starting to hurt. What is this? Oh my gosh. Gonna get more. So guys, like I think that like one section took me like 9 minutes. But like, can you see that? Like it literally looks fire. What? I think it might need a second coat. Hopefully not. We'll see.
Slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some more tape and just cover up this shingy majangy.
It's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Okay guys, I'm already like really red and sweaty. I brought reinforcements and he is not happy with me. He's gonna do all of this top section, so let's watch him do it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind.
Okay guys, so this 2 walls here and then the top of here, not here, is done. Definitely gonna need a second coat. I'm gonna go and eat some pizza, so let's go get some pizza. Your girl is tired. Okay guys, so I just did a second coat, except for like up here. I just finished, so it needs about an hour to dry, and then I think I'm gonna have to do a third coat, but we'll see once this is dried. It's 3:01, so I've been going at this for a really long time. I'm getting really tired. I have 2 more hours until it gets dark, and I don't think I'm gonna finish. I'm still trying to push through. I wanna get at least the third coat up here, and then I can kind of put stuff back there and make it look pretty at least. And then tomorrow I think I'm gonna get reinforcements and get my bestie Suzanne, you guys have all met her if you watched my vlogs, to come and help me do the other 3 walls, and hopefully we can finish that up tomorrow. So I'm gonna let my hand rest, and then I'm gonna do a third coat on this wall.
I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. I finished this section, like around here needs to be done, and up here does. And then I finished this wall completely, and then everything behind the mirror is completely done. But this was 3 coats. We just need the third coat here and here. So at the top, Allie will do it and I'll quickly do that. But it looks so good. I just put everything back. I'm gonna like call it for today. I'm like really tired. The sun is setting. It looks so good. Like it's such a big difference if you look at like the white compared to the brown. Like comment down below. I feel like some people really like the brown and some people really like the white. So comment down below. Like, do you prefer the white or the brown? Because I don't know. And that being said, guys, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Hi guys, okay, it is a while later since I filmed myself painting the part of the room. I still haven't finished, as you guys can see, but I edited the first half of the video and it was really long, so I decided to do a part 2. And I'm gonna be finishing my room tomorrow, which means hopefully within the next vlog or 2, you guys will see part 2 and a room tour, because I want you guys to see the finished product. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in part 2. Bye guys!